Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Daddy, like!
Hello y'all, this is Lena at Southern Thunder. Y'all come on down and get a picture with Santa Claus, the Grinch, or your favorite elf. Make sure you bring down a toy for donations for Toys for Tots. Unwrapped and unopened.
And we're at Southern Thunder here today, giving out some cookies, pecan meltaways. Some people like them, some people don't. We're just, we're giving them to people that do like them, I guess. I guess maybe they might be taking them and throwing them away. I don't know. We're offering up cookies to everybody, just having some fun here. Hey, lady. So, yeah, it's one of my favorite places to be. And so I thought I'd do a little giving back up here and give away some cookies. So, we're here. So we're here a little bit about that, man. Got the Grinch over there doing Grinch things, I guess.
How you doing, man? Don't move. There you go. Don't move, get down. Picture me. Okay. I'm more than a sex object.
You are?
Would you like a cookie?
Well, what's up, Rainy Rider?
Oh my goodness.
How you doing, brother?
I'm good. Would you like a cookie?
No, look at me. You offer me a cookie.
You definitely need a cookie. See, you look at you.
Which
enjoy
one?
a cookie.
This one? Okay.
Whichever one you want. Merry Christmas, Nick. Saint Nick. Would you like a cookie?
There's nuts in it, so I just want to make sure. Okay.
Oh, no good. No nuts. No nuts. Oh, you can. Okay.
Graham crackers. Let's see what.
Would you like a cookie?
Man.
Come on.
All right.
Do it.
Make sure you're not allergic.
Maddie, would you like a cookie?
Oh, I can't.
What?
I'm sorry.
I can.
He can.
Thank you, sir.
Is he busy? You ready to come back? Can you squeeze in a cookie? Thank you. Would you like a cookie?
Of course.
It's a cookie.
She's in your way.
Cookie. Thank you, brother.
Would you like a cookie?
Oh boy. Diabetes, take the wheel.
There's nuts in it, so.
Oh goodness.
Merry Christmas. Got to give one to my favorite elf.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Melina, what's going on here today?
We're getting pictures with Santa and the Grinch and donations for Toys for Tots.
Nice. You forgot something. So, are they going to do a toy run this year?
I believe
I got to catch you with your mouth closed.
today.
Merry Chrysler. Merry Christmas.
Would you like a cookie?
No.
He thought he was going to get
I already
Blasphemy.
got my lump of coal.
Thank you. Thank you
Sir,
very much.
Merry Christmas.
We doing?
Would you like a cookie?
Ah, sure. Please, thank you.
They have nuts in them.
What do you
That's
say?
fine with me. We're good.
Would you like a cookie?
What do you say?
Get you a cookie.
Nuna, what do you say?
What do you say? Oh,
You're welcome.
sorry.
Would Santa like a cookie?
Yeah, I wish. Get it all over.
Did you want to get your picture taken with Santa?
Sure.
Let's take a picture.
01.
Let's do it, people.
Everybody wants a picture with Lena. Everybody get over there. We'll get a picture with her. Come on, guys.
Mine.
Yes, you can. Come on, Tori. You don't want a picture with her?
Push together. Come on, guys.
You're glowing like an angel. The sun is right on you. Can I block it?
Yeah.
I'm helping out. I'm helping.
I'm helping.
Where's your sunglasses?
I don't know.
You wouldn't think you'd need them, but
Right?
today.
It just all of a sudden came out.
The sun will come out tomorrow.
Oh, it came today.
Hi.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Did you get some cookies?
No, not yet.
Get some cookies. They're very good. And there's a lot of them.
And there's a lot of
They gotta go away. And I need something for my sewing kit. Gotta get the can back.
It's fun with Santa.
He's like, you're on my level now.
You want to smile too? Here's some smiles.
beautiful baby. You're beautiful. You're outgoing of the twins.
Yes. Yeah, he's a little bit more standoffish.
The next day.
It is the Monday before Christmas. Hoping all you guys out there are ready for Christmas, getting in the spirit. It's hard to sometimes, especially when you get, I don't know, all the kids move away. Not a lot of friends live around you. Families far, far away. It's hard to get into the seasonal spirit sometimes. But you gotta remember, it's a lot of reasons we have a holiday. It's a winter break, cool, but it's Christmas. It's today to remember the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ, and while we all get to go to heaven. So I would say, even if you don't have family around, if you're low on friends, get out and make some. Join a forum. Get out and find some people. Do something this weekend. Get in a mood. Go find a charity. Go find something to do that'll make your life just a little more meaningful. Not happy, meaningful. So find a charity, do a toy drive, get some stuff together. Call a friend you haven't talked to in a few years. Find out what's going on with them. Because they may just be the person that needs you to call them. It just may be that time. Always try to be the spark in somebody else's life. Try to make someone else feel good. If you can do something for someone else, that'll bring about your own joy. And if it doesn't, if doing good things for other people doesn't make you feel good, think about that. Think about what you're centering your life on. It is a balmy 44 degrees this morning, 45. It was supposed to be 47 when I left the house, but that's back at the Sacred Heart School. As soon as I get away from the Sacred Heart School, you get down into this area that looks like it's pretty developed, but it's just a little town in the holler here, so it's a little cooler than up by big old South Haven. We're down in Olive Branch right now. All right, fellers, come on. And staying in the Christmas spirit, I'll just say, bless his pea-picking heart. He's got a four-wheeler. He's going somewhere cool. Hope he enjoys it. But I'm going to work. I'm only going to work 3 days this week, so I'm going to make it the best 3 days ever. I'll try to enrich somebody's life. So I guess that's my Christmas spirit message for today. Here's your TED Talk. Here's your Rainy Talk. Get out and enjoy life. And if you don't want to enjoy life, go ahead and help somebody else enjoy theirs. I got to wrap presents tonight. So I'm contemplating letting you guys see what I got, the pillion. But I'm not sure if I'm going to let this out before Christmas or not, so I guess we'll play it by ear. All I can say is I got her a bunch of stuff to make her more of a biker chick than she already is. I know what Mama likes, and it ain't Fritos.
One eternity later.
Yeah, this is Memphis. I don't think you can expect to not have traffic after work. It's only a Tuesday. This is like Friday traffic. But again, Christmas is coming. I got my cool presents picked out for the billion. Guess it means I got to wrap them tonight. I only got 2 working days. Well, I got 1 working day till Christmas, but that's two me working days because I got to work today and then Christmas too. So I guess I need to get my stuff wrapped tonight. I am planning on having a maybe a Christmas night get together live. A lot of people are going to be stuck at home. Some people don't have anything to do. Some people got family in, some people don't. So maybe have a little get together. I do like my lives. I love them. I love being able to talk to my friends, get out and talk to people, see new people. Because I don't have any friends that actually live around here. All my friends are like states away. So I love being able to do the get-togethers and see my friends online. You know, it's just to talk to them through the chat. What I meant to say is, bless their pea-picking little self-righteous heart. See, that's why people don't like BMW drivers, because they're assholes. But bless their pea-picking hearts. Anyway, hope you guys are going to enjoy your holidays. Hope you're going to have a good time. And reach out. You know, this could be the weekend that, or the holiday that you reunite with an old friend, an old family member, whoever. But just enjoy yourself. Stay out of trouble. Don't drink too much. Say hi to people you know. Wave at each other. Act like you like each other, even if maybe you don't. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Peace. Oh, if you haven't, not too late to buy a Christmas present. If you don't have one, look down below, look on the link, and buy people you love a t-shirt, or a coffee mug, or a drink cup, or a bottle, whatever. I am getting another t-shirt company going. We'll try to hook that up real soon. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.